Alright, let's kick things off right now. You've set the timer for 30 seconds, and that translates to a cool $50 in your pocket. No pressure to sell anything every minute, and no need for fancy videos or websites. You don't have to be a tech whiz, and it won't break the bank. It's all free. All you need is a phone or a computer, plus an internet connection to dive in from anywhere across the globe. And when you're ready to cash in your earnings, you'll find plenty of global payment options at your disposal. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get down to business. First things first, I want to introduce you to this fantastic website, legit.com. Yup, that's legit.com. It's a hidden gem. You probably haven't come across it before, but it's about to become your secret weapon for making money every single minute. Think of it as a bustling marketplace offering a wide range of services like graphic design, web development, internet marketing, video production, audio services, and more. You'll find all the categories and subcategories neatly displayed up top. Remember, you're not the one doing the actual work. You don't have to complete projects or sell anything. Now, pay close attention to the next step. Click on the video link. It's where the big bucks are being made right now. People are charging some serious cash for creating videos. Take this 2D animation whiteboard video for example. It's going for a cool $40, complete with eye-catching animations. All these folks are crafting videos and raking in the cash. I want to emphasize once again that you won't be creating these videos yourself, and you won't be breaking a sweat because after this video, I'm going to show you 2 websites that will handle everything for you 100%. Stick around until the end and you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to start making money. But first, let's talk about the potential earnings on legit.com. Imagine making $40 for just one of these video packages. Sell 15 of them in a month and you're looking at a cool $600. Double that to 30 and you're sitting on a sweet $1,200. It's as simple as selling one video package a day at $40 and you'll be making $1,200 every month without breaking a sweat. This is a golden opportunity, and the best part is nobody's talking about it on legit.com. There's zero competition. It's fresh, it's new, and it's all yours for the taking. Now, if you click on a title like this, it'll take you to a page where you can see people are charging $40. You're staring at a gold mine right now, and I'll show you how to tap into it for free using a website that's ready to roll. The first stop on our journey is ProTune. This website is a goldmine for creating professional videos in a snap thanks to their handy templates. Here's the kicker. Big-name companies are already using ProTune services. Click on the Create link up top and you'll find the video section. It's where you can access a treasure trove of ready-to-use templates and whip up stunning videos with a single click. Check out this whiteboard explanation template. It's exactly what you see on YouTube and people love these. The best part is, you won't have to spend days or weeks crafting these videos yourself because let's be honest, most of us aren't video wizards. Click that edit button on the template and you can create a full whiteboard video ready to sell for hundreds of dollars. I'll show you exactly how in a moment. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's explore some other categories on legit.com. The possibilities are endless. If you're excited about this, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Suppose you want to create a video using one of these templates. Just click Edit this template. You'll need to sign up for a free account on podent.com, which is a breeze. Enter your email and hit Continue or sign up with Google. You'll have access to a stunning set of slides ready to roll. With just one of these packages, you can sell a video for $40 or more. The beauty of legit.com is that it's still relatively new, which means zero competition. It's your chance to ride the wave of this exciting trend, especially if you're watching this video right now. You're at the forefront of this fantastic opportunity, and that's something to be proud of. Simply click on the text, make it your own, Change the color, move it around, tweak the background, adjust the sequence, customize to your heart's content. They've got your back and they're total pros. Once you're done, store it or export it to your computer or phone. The best part? You can use Potent on any device, anywhere in the world. Stick around for some extra tips after the video. Now let's sweeten the deal with some bonuses. Our second website and automation tool is flexpress.com. It's your ticket to crafting videos in minutes. Click on the automated templates link at the top and you'll find a selection of ready-to-use templates that you can tweak to your liking. Download the full HD video straight to your phone. Check out these templates. They're all top-notch and you can even preview them by hovering your mouse over the video. So, here's what you do. Click on the free plan templates and you'll discover a treasure trove of videos to sell on legit.com. This is where you'll make money, selecting from various categories and templates. Take this 12-second opening video for instance. Anyone can add their logo or text in it. You can create a full logo intro video in just 12 seconds and charge $40 for it. Your legit.com customers won't have a clue that you're using this automation website. They'll think you're a design genius who's been hard at work. In reality, you're harnessing the power of these automation websites, and that's a true definition of passive income and leveraging technology. Feel free to explore all the templates. The possibilities are endless. Legit.com and other marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork are swarming with requests for video and commercial production. Your Legit.com customers will be thrilled. Now let's get you registered for a free account. Click to register and fill in your basic info. Don't worry, it's absolutely free. As you can see, they offer a free package to get you started. So there you have it, the entire game plan. Use ProTune and FlexPress.com to create high-quality videos, then sell them on Legit.com's video selection. That's how you'll be raking in the dough without breaking a sweat. That's a wrap, folks. Rewatch this video, follow the steps, and start your online money-making journey today. If you found this video helpful, and we hope you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.